Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been thinking a lot about what kind of content I want to post on this channel, and I was just thinking to myself, like, I like watching vlogs. I should post some vlogs. So that's what we're doing today. I will be vlogging my day, nothing too extreme. I just plan on sitting home and crocheting. So, ooh, there goes my air fryer. Yeah, I just plan on sitting home and crocheting today, so I figured we could just have a chill day together, very cozy, very relaxing day. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn your notification bell on so that you can see every time I post, because as I keep saying in every video, I do plan on posting more on this channel. I'm hoping that I can get on a weekly schedule, but for now, just turn your notification bell on so that you know when I post. So this is what I am currently working on. I saw a girl with this bag. I'll post a picture of the bag over here. I saw a girl with this bag at an estate sale, and it inspired me to create this design. Honestly, I'll be lying if I said it was easy, because I didn't even know what stitch the bag used. She said it was crocheted, and I was confused because it looked like it was knit, but it was crocheted. It just used a knit stitch, which I had to learn. Then I had to redo the bag about 7 times just because of mishaps and tension issues. But now we're on the 8th try, and honestly, I think the bag is a little bit too big, but I am not starting over because I'll show you how far I got, and then you'll understand why I won't be starting over.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
So this is how far we've gotten, and honestly, I'm pretty proud of it so far. It's just a little big, but you know what? We'll make it work. We'll make it work. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I've gotten so far with this bag, but honestly, I think I'm going to frog it because it's just way too big. Like, I want to cut out all these extra rows on the sides, and that already is probably going to take about 2 to 3 inches off this bag and just make it a smaller size. So yeah, I'm kind of sad about it because I've gotten so far and I've been working on it consistently for like 3 to 4 days, but I just don't like it. And honestly, I should have taken it out earlier when I realized that I didn't like it, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it out now and wind the yarn and start over from the beginning because it's just way too big. as you can see from how dark it is in my house, it is now nighttime. It's 11:33 p.m. This is how far I've gotten with redoing the bag. I've gotten the bottom words done, but the bag is much smaller, which I'm happy about. So yeah, that was a really realistic vlog. That me having to frog that bag, I have nothing to say about it. I'm just happy that I'm now on the right track, and hopefully this bag should be done soon. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed this relaxing crochet with me vlog kind of video. I really want to do more of these just because they're so easy for me to record and edit. Please let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see from me. I'm very new to this whole crochet on YouTube situation, so let me know what kind of crochet videos you guys like to watch, and I will put them on my list of things to do. But yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it up for the night, because as you can see, I'm pretty tired and my wrist needs a break and a little stretching. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn your notification bell on so that you can see the next time I post. Shout out to these guys right here for watching my last video all the way to the end. And if you want a shout out on my next video at the end, leave your name in the comments and let me know that you watched this whole thing. You guys have a good night. Well, I don't know if it's night when you're watching this, but I'm gonna have a good night. If it's night when you're watching this, have a good night, have a good day, etc. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you next time.